busy crafters, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're returning. I want to go ahead and start off by saying that we have a very special treat today. We are doing our very first California Girls Christmas collaboration. And there is a total of 5 of us so far. And you can find all of their names and descriptions in the description box below. But we also have Lisa Kennedy with Dollar Mom. We have Craft Away with May, Crafty Leanie, and LCR and more, Laura's Craft Room. Everything would be in the description box below, the playlist, and their handles as well. So go ahead and go over and check them out and watch their videos and give them a thumbs up, a like, a share, and a subscribe. And if you like what you're seeing here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate that. So one of our challenges is making a California-inspired Christmas decoration. And even though I live in the mountains and it gets really cold and we actually have snow here, I thought, what is California best known for? And what California is best known for is our beaches. And we have amazing beaches all the way from Long Beach, Huntington Beach, Newport, Santa Monica, all the way up the California coast, beautiful beaches. And so my California Christmas inspiration is I'm going to make a snowman because I come from the snow, but it's going to be a sand man. So I went ahead and went to Michael's and I got these 3 different size balls. Unfortunately, I do not remember the size of them, but they're pretty decent. He's about the size of a Barbie, as tall as a Barbie. And so I went ahead and I glued them to a Dollar Tree pick or Dollar Tree plank. And then I just went ahead and got Dollar Tree caulking as well as the Dollar Tree sand, and I mixed it all up. And then now you see me here slathering the snowman with the sand, solution that I have right here in front of me. And I go ahead and I do it for all 3 sets, his head, his torso, and of course his bottom. And this stuff was really sticky and it took a long time to dry actually. I actually started painting him when he was still wet because I got impatient. But what do we do at the beach besides sunbathe? We surf. And so I decided that we're going to make him a surfing snowman. And I went on my Cricut and with cardstock, I cut out these little pieces of, surfboard. It needed to be a little bit sturdier, so I got some foam board that I had on stash. And I just went ahead and used my Elmer's Craft Bond Extra Strength glue stick. And I just, glued them down like that. And it came out pretty cute, I have to say. I must say myself. But, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, trying to get it lined up. And then I clean up the edges a little bit. Around the surfboard was a little, messy. We don't like shark attacks out here. Huntington Beach is also known for sharks. So, yeah, we don't want it to look like there was a shark attack on the surfboard. So we had to clean up the sides. I went and got this, it says Merry Christmas across it. It's in green. And it's a little ribbon that I got from Michael's a few years ago, actually. I got it for like $1, I believe. It was in their little bins in front. And so, yeah, I just went around the whole surfboard and covered up the rough edges, So, I'm going to make you guys watch me do that because, what else are we going to do? No, I'm kidding. And I just go ahead and finish it all off. And then, yeah. Yeah, I can't believe I left all that in there. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys know how to glue ribbon to foam board. But, okay then. That's fine. And now we're going to finish it off to the end. And then I just go ahead and cut it off. And now I'm just making sure that, it fits in pretty well. What else is California known for? Our sunshine. And so... And everybody likes to wear, they love their music out here. I don't know if it's like that everywhere else, but out here in California, you're listening to multiple different kinds of music. Whether it be the car next to you, or you can hear it from your kid's headphones, for crying out loud. So what I'm making him is out of the air dry clay that I got from Walmart. I'm making him a set of headphones, as well as some sunglasses. Because, our sun shines a lot here in California. And, yeah. We need those sunglasses, to tell you the truth. And then, of course, I also made him a little carrot nose. Carrot, why you ask? We have a lot of Jamba Juices around here, and a lot of people like the juice. So I thought a carrot would still be fitting. Even though it's not a snowman, it's a sandman, a carrot would still be fitting over here because people take their juicing quite seriously. And yeah, so now that's the little nose, and I'm just putting little lines in to give it a little bit of, extra oomph. I went ahead and painted the snowman himself. The sand and caulking was still a bit wet, but I couldn't wait anymore. I had other things to do. And so I just go ahead and I started painting him with my Apple Barrel Classic Caramel. And when it dried, it actually dried darker. So it actually looks like sand. I'm looking at him now, and I should have, put some seashells on him or something just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. So right now I'm going ahead and painting his headphones and his glasses black. And his headphones kind of fell apart on me. I shouldn't have been so impatient, but that's me. I'm kind of impatient. When I want to get something done, I, get it done. Or at least I try to. There is frustration in it, but, it is what it is. So now I'm going ahead and decided to paint the little plaque that he's on, the little wood plaque that I got from Dollar Tree on. I painted all that black, and now we're going to add some little extraness to the surfboard. I got those little tiny flowers. They're made of plastic. They are 3D. They pop out. So they're hard plastic and they pop out. But I used my red, green, and white flowers. They're not any type of Christmas flowers. They're more like, they look kind of like daisies, but I have them in the Christmas colors. And then they're going on this little surfboard. And now I'm going to go ahead. I glued the bottom, and then I glue the back of it so that he's holding it. Unfortunately, I forgot to press film when I put his headphones and his eyes and nose on. So now this is supposed to be a beach ball. I am not very good at painting the beach ball. I had other things that were on my mind as far as this. And there's the final reveal. There is my California-inspired snowman, Sandman. And I hope you guys like it. And thank you. Well, now here's DIY number 2. We had to use decoupage. And my original plan did not come through because, the napkin that I originally wanted did not come. So I had to do a whole different thing. These last 2 projects, I had to do an entirely different thing because the original plan was faltered with this one because the napkin that I ordered did not come in. They're saying it's supposed to come in, but we'll see. So my mom and dad to the rescue. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I appreciate it very much. They had a Santa Claus napkin. And he's cutesy. The napkin that I originally was going to get wasn't cutesy. It was more vintage. And I'm saving that project for another time. Hopefully sometime this year if my napkin ever comes. But I went ahead and got this little wood plaque from Walmart. It only cost $1. It was actually cheaper. It was 98 cents. And it was cheaper than buying one at the Dollar Tree. So it's very thin though. So I went ahead, painted it white with my Waverly white chalk paint. And then I put a layer of Mod Podge on it. I let the Mod Podge dry. And this right here has made it to where you get no wrinkles, no bubbles, no nothing. And it's perfect. So then after I reactivated the Mod Podge, I went ahead and cut around him and got as close as I can to the board without nicking the board or cutting the board. And then I just go ahead and take my finger sander that I got from Amazon, and then I just clean up the sides a bit. And I'm looking at it going, there's got to be something more, because the project that I originally wanted to do, there was going to be a lot put into it. I guess it works out in a good way, because both those projects together, the Sandman and this one, if it was originally the one I wanted to do, would probably take me a long time to do it. So I guess God was watching out for me and making sure I don't get, frustrated. So I went ahead and went around that entire thing with pipe cleaner that I got from Amazon. And I made the little hook from the leftover pipe cleaner that I got from Amazon. I don't think I filmed myself, but I put on these little gems that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's the Paper Studio ones. They come in a little thing, a little tub. And I've been using those a lot in these projects lately. And so now I'm taking leftover pipe cleaner, rolling it up, and then just putting it on his sleeves just to give it a little pop. And then I got a little pearl that I put on his hat. And then there he goes. This one turned out adorable. It's really cute. I did not Mod Podge the front of it. It's not going anywhere near water or in the kitchen or bathroom or anything like that, so I didn't protect it. So now here's DIY number 2. I guess I forgot the name of it, but there's a hotel in Los Angeles that has their Christmas tree displayed hanging upside down. So this is one of our challenges of coming up with an upside down Christmas tree. And the original plan that I had did not work. It was just a big old gunky mess. And the idea was cute, but the execution was terrible. And so I had to go with this one. So I got this dome from the Dollar Tree. I also got a blue Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree, but that one is in the puddle of mess over here. So I'm not even going to show that. But just know that we do mess up, and it's not a total loss. It's more of a learning curve. So now I learned that if I have an idea, make sure I buy extra just in case that idea flops, and I can learn from it and then restart. But luckily I had this dome, and I got that silver Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree. Or no, I got that one from Amazon. It came in a package. So I got that little tree from, Amazon. I once again used the little gems that I had for the Paper Studio that I got from Hobby Lobby. I used it in the little church's lights, like the church's lights are on for you. Then I went and got a little tiny bow that I got from Michael's 2 years ago, I believe. It was a while ago. And so I just put that on the top so we didn't see the wooden part of the Christmas tree under there. And then I got these little, they're kind of like cloth snowflakes. And I got them from a yard sale years ago. And so now I'm finally using them as well. And so I just put 4 on. I didn't want the tree hidden, because that's what happened with this other disaster project that I have over here. The tree, you can't even see the tree. But I cut off the little skyline, the city skyline, from my Cricut. And I used Paper Studio permanent black vinyl. And so that's what's going around the bottom. And then the tree is hanging from the sky. And then I have the little snowflakes, because, where I live, it does snow. And it snows a lot. And it's terrible. So there's the end product right there. I did add little gems to the snowflakes. And there we go. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to all my subscribers. And you guys have a blessed day. Bye.